The ECY Philippines, through the National Secretariat for Youth Apostolate, its implementing arm, has already released and sent copies of the primer for the World Youth Day 2013 for the Episcopal Commission on Youth, or for the ECY Philippines delegation. Every time that there is a WYD celebration, the ECY through the NSYA prepares a primer that help facilitate and organize the delegation and all the delegates who enlist their delegation or delegates to the ECY Philippines, so through the Episcopal Commission on Youth. There are many benefits in joining the ECY. Some of these are the WYD organizers recognize the ECY Philippines of the CBCP Episcopal Commission on Youth as an official country delegation. The ECY is privileged to directly coordinate with the Pontifical Council for the Laity Youth Section of the Vatican with the Rio de Janeiro organizers for this year in Brazil, or for 2013 in Brazil. Joining the ECY Philippines also help in promoting a type or a kind of participation in the WYD that really assures delegates of fees or expenses that are really measured pastorally, meaning we considered greatly the situation and the capacity of our youth delegates especially. So the Episcopal Commission is trying its best really to lower the expenses in joining the World Youth Day. In short, really joining the ECY Philippines help prepare a delegation that is properly guided and properly directed. I would like to encourage and invite all our interested subgroups, meaning the dioceses, the schools, the national youth movements or youth organizations, willing and are open to considering being part of the ECY Philippines delegation. There are several invitations that you have already heard or learned through the website, because the organizer, the Rio organizer, has already made an official announcement about it. But for you to be part of the ECY Philippines delegation, to be under the Episcopal Conference of the CBCP, helping organizing our youth delegation, you can now start or begin inquiring or make contact with the ECY Philippines through the National Secretariat for Youth Apostolate here in CBCP Intramuros, Manila. We invite the subgroups and the individual interested delegates to start inquiring through our office, the National Secretariat for Youth Apostolate. This October, especially on October 5, we will already entertain and orient those who manifest intention of joining the ECY Philippines, and that will take place in and during the NCYM in Legazpi. Then the next subgroup orientation will be held in Intramuros, Manila, and that will be on October 17. Our name as a delegation is the ECY Philippines Delegation.